Don't forget to always have these books on hand, folks. Best in your kitchen and cooking around the world with yours truly, Chef Des. They're available on the website and Amazon worldwide. And if you have not ordered it yet, Chef Des Cooks with BC Eggs makes up over 130 recipes in this book, and you got to have it in your collection. It's fantastic. I'm going to teach you a very quick way how to peel a head of garlic. Get a couple of bowls that are approximately the same size, okay? So you can invert them and make a sphere like that, okay? Because you're going to shake them. Now, the bowls preferably are metal, like stainless steel or glass, but plastic, not quite as hard. So what you're going to do is I'm going to show you this in a sec. We're going to bust open that head, put them in there, and we're going to shake for 10 seconds. And that's going to peel every single clove. Watch this. And all I do is I just lean on it so it comes apart. Okay, so I have my separate cloves like that. I take the whole works, put it in one of the bowls, put the other one on top, and literally shake for 10 seconds. Here we go. And what you get in the end, look at this. Peeled cloves of garlic, completely whole, no skins, and you just put them in your dish. Okay, pretty cool, eh? That's the fastest way of peeling a whole head of garlic.